Today we're in Charlottetown. We're at Wright's Creek and we're doing the trail around Andrews Pond north. You can see we're just off the St. Peter's Highway. I'll give more information in the comments about the location. We just walked through this tunnel where we parked our car on the other side on a small parking lot, and now we're going to take a walk around the front loop, around the North Trail loop, sorry. Come along, King. It's an overcast day today. Nice for walking, cool, no rain. My experience here is there is lots of bird sounds. My dog King can smell lots of nice smells. There is a lot of apartment buildings on the left. And the lovely pond on the right. Take a little walk over here. So we're in East Royalty. Oh, sorry about that. So this is Andrews Mill Pond. The creek is called Wright's Creek and the pond is called Andrews Pond. And there's some of the information. Looks like there's been a problem here. Maybe some rotten boards, maybe vandalism, not sure.